Hi everyone. So today we have Suvam with us, who has secured All India rank 204 in GATE DA examination. He is a student from IST Shipur only, and he is a student of the branch Electronics and Communication Engineering. And being an EC engineer, he has secured so much of good rank. That's why I am taking his interview. So let's talk to him and get to know about his journey. So yeah, hi Suvam. Please briefly introduce yourself.
So, hello everyone. As Bhaiya introduced me, I am from ISC Shipur and I am from the electronics department. So I have started off in electronics and I took some courses in electronics, but our first 2 years was online. So the online months, my core courses that we had, I found them quite difficult to follow during the online years. So instead, I started exploring other things. Among others, I came across our college's coding society called Code IST, which was taking some sessions on machine learning. So from there, I got my first introduction to machine learning in around second year. So there, the bhaiya who took the courses suggested a course called Machine Learning by Andrew Nang on Coursera, which was free. So I completed that course in the second year itself. So from there, my interest grew in that subject. I also continued pursuing electronics parallelly. I gave GATE in electronics in
Okay.
2023. My rank was around
Okay.
1.2K. So from there, I realized that this cannot be improved.
अरे यार,
This is the best I can do in
हो जाता है यार.
electronics.
तुमने बताया नहीं मेरे को. तुमने बताया
So
नहीं तो मैं इसी में दिलवा देता. Okay, okay, continue, continue.
so I realized that after that point, I had to stop. I had to stop keeping my feet on both of the boards, and I had to focus on one thing. And so I chose data science. I did some research internships in data science as well. And after that, this year, last year actually, when I saw that ISC has come up with this new GATE course, I looked at its syllabus and I found that many of the things I had learned during these courses or during my research internships, they were common in the syllabus. So I thought, why not take a chance and give GATE again in this subject?
Okay, yeah. So you talked about ML and AI, but what about other subjects? Because there were
Mhm.
no particular resources available for GATE data science only. So how did you cover all probability, statistics, calculus, all those parts?
So probability statistics and calculus and linear algebra, these four courses were some courses which were there covered in the first year of our
Hmm.
college course. So I was fortunate enough to have a really great professor in that course, this probability statistics and linear algebra course. So that course I had followed really well, and I remembered some parts. And for this examination, I revised those notes, and I also did some assignments from there. And for linear algebra, I there is this YouTube channel called Three Blue One
Okay.
Brown, which gives some really uh, which helps to visualize the linear algebra concepts using geometry. So this is something that I really
Okay.
like. So I had that kind of intuitive understanding. And for GATE, along with that, I had also watched some, I think, lectures by Vishal Soni, which Bhaiya had suggested
Okay.
initially. So for some formulas and
Okay.
stuff.
Great. So what was the channel name? I will also write down his name.
It's called Three Blue One
Three blue,
Brown.
one brown. Okay. I will also
Yes,
follow. Yeah.
it is run by a guy from Stanford called Grant
Okay. Okay.
Sanderson.
Sure. Sure. Okay. Nice. And what about DBMS? You told about DBMS.
Yes, yeah, one of the subjects which I had never covered before in the syllabus was DBMS. So I had no exposure to DBMS before, other than a little bit in school when we had a bit of SQL, but that was very minimal, and I'd forgotten everything. So for that, I searched YouTube and I asked some of my friends in CS. All of them suggested Gate Smashers. So I went to his channel and uh, I think his name is Vishal
I also forgot it.
something. I've
Yeah, I
forgotten his
also
surname.
forgot his name. Yeah, he's a
So
very good teacher.
and his Yes, he's a very good teacher, and I took notes. I took notes, and I gave around 2 hours every day. And during my winter vacation, I gave a bit more time and completed the entire playlist.
Yeah, so you can see on his own only he has done all these things. Okay, no one was there to tell you all this, that follow this professor, follow that professor. If he has been a EC aspirant, I would have told him all the resources. But in GATE DA, he has done everything on his own without any resources, anything. That is really remarkable. And he was my junior only, and I have seen him working hard in the library. I didn't go library for studying. I just used to go to see the students if they are working hard or not. Yeah. So, like any other tip you would want to share, because you did not write any test series, like there was no particular test series available. There was just a
Hmm.
mock test available from ISC. So, like, how did you plan your gate examination? Like,
I think one of the things that helped was finding a mate to study with. I studied with one of my classmates only, called he's Abhinava, and he was learning data science for the first time during this time for this
okay,
preparation. So we both studied together. We both gave ourselves a challenge that we'll finish this DBMS course by this time. So that kind of motivated me, to be honest. And we both surfed the YouTube for other things also, but we found these channels which I suggested. Oh, another good channel for machine learning is called Rithvik
okay,
Maths, which covers some mathematical details of the machine learning algorithms, which I found that ISC likes to ask in this exam.
okay.
Some questions were quite mathematical.
Okay, nice, nice. So, I would request you to write down all these name, whatever channel you have followed, whatever the courses you have followed, in the comment section.
Yes,
In the
sure.
comment section, please do write it when this
Okay,
video gets uploaded. Okay, yeah.
sure.
So, any final tip, anything you would like to tell?
Other than this, I think by second or third year, you should be able to identify what you will
Yeah,
excel in, and then focus on that only. But don't jump ships. Then your focus will be diverted, and like in very rare cases, it happens that people get success in both
yeah,
together.
right. So, what are your future plans? What you are going to do with this rank or anything?
My interest was applying for higher studies, so I'm still in the
Hmm.
process.
Yeah,
I'll maybe apply for M.tech with this
yeah,
rank or PhD. I don't
yeah,
know.
yeah, yeah. Thank you very much, Shivam, for coming on this channel. Yeah, and thank you.
Thank you, Bhaiya. Thank you for featuring me in
Yeah,
PrepFusion.
okay.